Are wolves truly behind the recent deadly attacks on children in northern India, or is there a darker mystery lurking in the shadows? As authorities close in on the last member of a suspected wolf pack, experts are questioning whether the full story has yet to emerge. Indian authorities are working to capture the last member of a wolf pack believed to be responsible for a series of deadly attacks on children in northern India. However, experts are raising questions about whether wolves are truly to blame for the incidents. In the Bahraich area of Uttar Pradesh, 9 children and 1 adult have been killed in suspected wolf attacks, with many others injured in recent months. News outlets have reported that Indian wolves, Canis lupus pallipes, have been attacking children, even entering homes to drag them from their beds, while some victims were taken while sleeping outdoors. To address the situation, the Uttar Pradesh Forest Department has deployed drones with thermal imaging and set traps to capture the wolves. So far, 5 of the 6 wolves in the area have been captured, but 1 remains at large. Despite these efforts, reports of attacks are still ongoing, leaving uncertainty about whether the wolves are solely responsible or if there are other factors at play. Experts are calling for more conclusive evidence before drawing final conclusions about the cause of the attacks. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel and share this video.